Hey everyone, welcome to FitLife, your ultimate guide to a healthy and active lifestyle. If you want to start your fitness journey but don't know how, you're in the right place. Listen, we've all been there. That feeling of wanting to make a change but not knowing where to start, it can be daunting, right? But that's why I'm here. I'm going to break it down for you step by step. In just 5 minutes, I'll give you the best tips to get started and stay motivated. We're talking simple, effective strategies that anyone can implement. No more excuses, it's time to take control of your health. Let's go. Alright, let's talk mindset. This is where it all begins. Fitness isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling strong, confident, and energetic. It's about becoming the best version of yourself inside and out, and that starts with your mindset. You've got to shift your perspective. Don't think of this as a temporary fix, a quick diet, or a short-lived burst of motivation. This is about making a lasting change, a lifestyle shift. We're talking about creating habits that serve you, that fuel your body and mind. It's about finding that joy in movement, in challenging yourself, and pushing past those self-imposed limitations. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Don't get overwhelmed by the big picture. Focus on the day in front of you, on making healthier choices one step at a time. Believe in yourself, commit to this journey, and watch how everything starts to change. You've got this. Now, let's give ourselves some direction. Without a goal, it's easy to lose focus, to drift off course, to fall back into old habits. So, what do you want to achieve? Do you want to lose weight, gain muscle, run a 5K, or just wake up feeling more energized? Think about it. What does your ideal state of health and fitness look like? Got it? Good. Now write it down. Make it real, make it tangible. And here's the key, make it SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to lose weight, say, I want to lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months. See the difference? It's specific, it's measurable, and most importantly, it gives you something concrete to work towards. This is your roadmap to success. Keep it visible, remind yourself of your goals daily, and watch as you steadily move closer to achieving them. Chapter 3. Healthy habits and workout routine. Okay, time to get moving, but don't worry, we're starting slow and steady. Remember, consistency is key here. It's about creating a sustainable routine that you can stick with for the long haul. Start small. You don't need to hit the gym for hours on end. In fact, I encourage you not to. Instead, focus on building simple, healthy habits into your day. Try walking 10,000 steps a day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park further away from the store. These small changes might seem insignificant, but they add up over time. And let's not forget about exercise. Aim for at least 20 minutes of movement each day. It could be a brisk walk, a quick HIIT session, a bodyweight circuit, or even just dancing around your living room. The important thing is to find something you enjoy, something that challenges you, and something that you can stick with. Remember, this is about making fitness a part of your life, not a chore. Chapter 4. Nutrition and Diet. Alright, let's talk fuel. You can't outrun a bad diet. What you put into your body matters just as much as how you move it. And I'm not talking about restrictive diets or cutting out entire food groups. It's about making healthier choices, about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Start by cutting back on processed junk food, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of unhealthy fats. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Think of it this way, fill your plate with color. The more vibrant and diverse your meals, the better. And don't forget about hydration. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Remember, food is fuel. It's what gives you the energy to power through your workouts, to conquer your day, and to live your life to the fullest. So make it count. Outro, stay fit, stay strong. So, there you have it, your roadmap to a healthier, fitter you. Listen, starting is the hardest part, but trust me, it's worth it. It's about making a commitment to yourself, to your well-being, to living your best life. Stay patient, stay consistent, and you'll see amazing results. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, challenges and victories. But the most important thing is to never give up on yourself. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to FitLife for more fitness tips. See you in the next one. Stay fit, stay strong.